While doing plantation for NSG, I started doing it for CISF. With CISF came BSF, with BSF came CRPF. And I can say till yesterday I have planted 280,000 fruit trees under Mission Phal 1 in 15 states of India, and I am graciously awarded the Green Ambassador for NSG, BSF and the CISF India. I'm an environmentalist. I'm Radhika Anand, and I have been an environmentalist for the past over 2 decades. Been doing a little bit of my work, basically doing my bit for the city as well for the country. Well, this is my Karam Bhumi. I was born in Delhi. My dad was in the Air Force and I was born in Delhi. And yes, I've done some part of my schooling in Delhi. As my husband was in the bank, all over the world I was traveling with him, but somewhere the seed of environment was always in me. And in 2002, 2003, from teaching economics, it's an interesting story, I just started teaching environment. Probably environment was in my DNA. Yes, I have been an integral part in Delhi. I have taught probably in more than 500 schools of Delhi, environment, done couple of workshops. I do bee farming, I'm into exotic mushrooms. All these things together makes me what I am today. And whatever I was earning was just going in a bank account, as my ex-banker would not let me spend it. And then in 2015, I thought about why don't I use this money which I have earned and saved for so long. In 2015, I decided to start a new project under Plantology. Plantology is the name of my organization, and it's not an NGO, it's a self-funded organization. And I started the project called Project Mission Phal 1. Phal 1, fruit forest, and fruit for all. So it's not just fruit for you and me, fruit for the animals, fruit for birds, fruit for insects, fruit for every species on this planet. So that was the idea. आप कोई संकल्प लेते हो, वो पूरा होता है अगर आप सच्चे दिल से लेते हो. So the resolve was so strong in me that it was not letting me go. So somewhere after a lot of hurdles, I got in touch. In fact, I was traveling with an army officer, and that army officer became my mentor, and he gave me the direction. And there I met the general of the army, the Western Commander, General K.J. Singh. And through him, I started my first plantation, where I was using up all my savings and buying saplings and giving it to the army with my know-how and traveling with them and doing the plantation. It was a beautiful experience way back in 2015. While doing with the army, the DG NSG got in touch with me, and he was very keen that if I could do plantation, similar plantation in their Manesar campus. And believe me, for any Indian, it is the most pulsating experience when you enter the NSG campus. And I think it was emotional, it was pulsating, and there I was in NSG doing plantation for them. While doing plantation for NSG, I started doing it for CISF. With CISF came BSF, with BSF came CRPF. And I can say till yesterday I have planted 280,000 fruit trees under Mission Phal 1 in 15 states of India, and I am graciously awarded the Green Ambassador for NSG, BSF and the CISF India. Well, the Green Ambassador title is something which is very close to my heart, because I walk into these forces and the respect that I earn there, and people ask me, who are you, ma'am? Do we know you? And I say, well, I'm the Green Ambassador for NSG. Yes, while the Green Ambassadorship is with me, what I do with them is any kind of environment work that they want, plantation they want, any know-how they want, I'm always there at their service. So yes, it is a feeling of pride, I would say, as an Indian, to be holding those titles and working with the forces. I would definitely like to see plantology pan-India. I've only done 15 states till now. The hunger in me is, ye dil mange more. So I would like to just carry on this as long as I can, and I think with people's good wishes, it will happen.